China has used advanced technology and environmental management to turn deserts into fertile lands. They've implemented efficient irrigation systems, grown drought-resistant crops, and planted forests to stop sand from spreading. They've also researched and developed new crop varieties that thrive in dry climates and improve desert soil with organic and inorganic fertilizers. These efforts boost land productivity, fight climate change, reduce desertification, and improve local living conditions. In today's video, we'll look at how technology and human effort have turned barren deserts into productive areas through 6 innovative methods. We'll explore these techniques and see if they can be applied elsewhere. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And stay tuned to learn more about these incredible transformations. Let's dive in. First, we'll look at creative tree and vegetation planting methods that turn deserts into productive land. China's efforts in transforming vast desert areas into sustainable ecological zones and significant agricultural hubs have been impressive. Projects in Linz County, for instance, showcase innovative farming methods and special vegetation planting to combat land degradation and desertification. These techniques go beyond traditional tree planting by using drought-resistant plants, improving soil fertility, and enhancing water retention. Another standout example of this transformation is the Kabuki Desert, which was once dry and infertile. Through decades of dedicated land management and ecological restoration, it has now become a symbol of recovery and renewal. Techniques used here include integrated farming models, selecting crops and vegetation, not only for productivity, but also for their resilience to harsh conditions. Although not always clearly defined in practical terms, these methods in the Kabuki Desert represent innovative approaches to land regeneration through cultural and resource management integration. This reflects a global trend in addressing climate change and land degradation, tackling environmental challenges, and improving the quality of life for local communities. These efforts showcase adaptability and creativity in agricultural science, emphasizing the power of cooperation and solidarity in combating desertification. China, as a developed nation, has set an example for others to follow. Next, we'll explore the method of growing plants and vegetables in the desert. The Kabuki Desert, one of the largest desert regions in China, is often imagined as an endless expanse of sand and intense sunlight. However, significant transformations have occurred here, with fertile agricultural lands now emerging in the heart of this arid region. This change is not miraculous, but the result of relentless efforts and close cooperation. Farming in such an inhospitable area is becoming a reality thanks to innovations in farming techniques and water resource management. These farming models help turn barren land into fertile agricultural fields, demonstrating human adaptability and creativity in harsh conditions. Techniques like rainwater harvesting, using treated wastewater, and hydroponics have been effectively applied to create favorable conditions for plant growth. Selecting crops suited to the desert's climate and soil conditions is also crucial. For instance, vegetables and certain woody plants have shown a high ability to adapt to water scarcity and barren soil. This farming model not only provides fresh food for nearby areas, but also improves the desert's ecological conditions, transforming it into a region with sustainable development potential. The combination of scientific research and practical application has opened new possibilities for desert agriculture, applicable in other desert regions worldwide, especially as climate change increasingly challenges traditional agriculture. Number 3 is the use of polylactic acid, PLA, and barriers to prevent desertification. Amid global economic and environmental development, China has taken a leading role in applying innovative solutions to combat environmental degradation. A significant achievement is the transformation of the Gurbantunga Desert, often mistaken for the Kabuki Desert, into fertile agricultural land. This technology uses PLA, a biodegradable biopolymer made from renewable resources like sugarcane or corn. This innovation supports sustainable development and helps control and reverse desert expansion. As part of a land management strategy, PLA forms protective barriers to stop sand movement and improve soil quality, revitalizing previously desertified lands. Additionally, barriers made of environmentally friendly materials, such as cactus gel, which retains moisture and supports soil microorganism growth, complement this technology, providing a comprehensive solution to environmental degradation. By using PLA and other biotic materials, China's vast desert areas are gradually becoming productive lands. About 1/3 of the Gurbantunga Desert is now green with shrubs and trees, thanks to the combined efforts of businesses and local residents adopting these innovative methods. This project showcases China's innovation in biotechnology and environmental management, contributing to the broader goals of sustainable development and combating global climate change. Number 4 is the use of new technology to transform desert sand into soil. China's unique geographical and climatic conditions present a significant challenge for sustainable development, particularly in the effective use of desert areas. One of the latest techniques developed by Chinese scientists is converting desert sand into arable soil. This breakthrough technology aims to transform harsh living environments into productive agricultural areas. The method involves a special adhesive that, when mixed with sand, forms a fertile layer capable of retaining water and nutrients, creating favorable conditions for cultivation. This approach has been tested in the Kabuki Desert, one of China's largest deserts. The results have shown a remarkable ability to convert desert sand into lush green oases, where various crops can thrive, including rice and other essential crops. This not only improves the land's ecological conditions, but also expands agricultural production capacity. Through detailed video documentation, viewers can witness the transformation from barren desert to fertile farmland, demonstrating the effectiveness of this method and offering hope for other regions facing similar desertification challenges. Years of cultivating watermelon in the desert have shown the necessity of smart agricultural techniques to optimize limited resources. In the sandy regions of China, where water is scarce, using gravel to cover the soil surface helps protect crops and minimize water evaporation. This technique maintains essential moisture for crop growth, particularly for water-intensive plants like watermelons. It also prevents sandstorms, which are common in northern China's vast open lands. Sandstorms can damage the environment and local communities, posing a threat to cultivated areas. Moreover, the gravel layer acts as a barrier against pests and harmful insects, reducing the need for chemical pesticides and promoting healthier crops. Videos and research documents illustrate the potential and effectiveness of cultivating on sandy soil using gravel. This method's success extends beyond watermelon cultivation to other crops, enhancing farming capabilities on less fertile lands and promoting sustainable agricultural development. In recent decades, the Kabuki Desert in China has undergone a remarkable transformation from a vast, dry sand field to a thriving green space. This change is largely due to the strategic planting of licorice plants, which help stabilize the sand and prevent erosion. Licorice, known scientifically as Glycerides glabra, is native to the Eurasian region and has been used in traditional Chinese medicine for various ailments. Its chemical components, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, also make it valuable in the cosmetics industry. Recognizing the potential of licorice, the Chinese government has implemented its planting as both an environmental and economic strategy. Licorice plants stabilize loose sand dunes, reduce wind impact, and prevent erosion, which promotes the formation of fertile soil and improves biodiversity. This process supports national efforts to combat environmental degradation, particularly severe desertification, in many regions of China. In addition to ecological benefits, licorice cultivation generates economic value. It is used as a raw material in the production of medicines and cosmetics, supporting local industries and exports. This dual-purpose approach not only enhances ecological stability, but also creates economic opportunities for the local community. Planting licorice in the Kabuki Desert is a prime example of how nature-based solutions can address environmental issues while providing economic benefits. This successful model can be applied to other arid areas worldwide, helping to mitigate climate change effects and promote sustainable development. How do you think these desert transformation technologies could impact other arid regions around the world? Feel free to share your thoughts and perspectives in the comments section below. Don't forget to join the Revel Discovery community by hitting that subscribe button to stay updated on the most innovative environmental solutions and technologies. Dive into a world of sustainable possibilities and groundbreaking advancements with us.